In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change site themes on your Wix website. Changing a theme on Wix is a simple process that allows you to customize the aesthetic and feel of your website. First off, we should identify the key area where all design changes happen. On the left side of the editor page, you will notice several icons. Look for the Site Design icon, which typically looks like a paintbrush or a palette. Clicking on this icon will open a panel where all the magic happens. Now, in the Site Design panel, you should locate Change Theme, listed under Site Theme. Click on it, and this will lead you to a new, exciting world of theme presets. These preset themes were created by Wix designers to give you hassle-free and professionally pre-designed combinations of colors and text styles. Don't rush into choosing one just yet. Take your time to browse through the available themes. Click on each one of them to see how it changes and affects your site's appearance. You might be surprised to see the vast differences these themes can make on your website. After you've spent some time looking through and have found a theme that you like, don't click Apply just yet. There are still customizations you can make to further enhance the appeal and aesthetic of your site. To start customizing, look for two options: colors and text. In the color section, you can choose a color palette that suits your brand's identity and personal preferences. If you wish, you can adjust individual colors within the selected palette for a more personalized touch. On the other hand, the text option allows you to select a text theme tailored to your taste. Here, you have the flexibility to customize the fonts and styles for different text elements like headings, paragraphs, or even footnotes. Now, with all these step-by-step design changes made, you may be wondering how to enact all these new additions. The beauty of Wix is that changes to the theme are applied automatically as you select and customize. However, an important note to remember is that these changes won't be permanent until you save your site. Always ensure that you save the changes you've made once you're satisfied with the overall look and feel. Saving makes the changes permanent, and you don't lose your hard work and creativity. And voila, just like that, you've successfully changed and customized the theme of your Wix website, giving it a fresh, new, and better aesthetic. This customization will help your brand and your website stand out. Great job on mastering this skill.